This thing's garbage. This is the header off my RX-8. This is the O2 that is not coming out. It's so close. Threads are right there, but I can't. I've tried everything. It's not coming out, and it's also just garbage anyways. The flange is ruined. It's done. So instead, got this. This is a new header. So headers, I don't have a lot of money, so I didn't get the most expensive header I could, but I didn't get the most inexpensive either. I mean, there's some headers for the RX-8 that are like $80. That's garbage. But this is about $300, so it's like, I guess you would say middle grade header. So let's see if it's any good or not. Tiny arms. Alright, so let's see here. What do we got in the box? So this is an X-Force RX-8 header, I believe. And I needed it fast and quick, so I bought it off of Summit. Oh, it says thank you for your order on the box. How kind. And it came with my favorite thing, hoppy things. So that's good news. Pull this out. Box and box. Hey! Alright, so that's kind of cool. So in the box, came with the little magazine to go through. That'll be fun to buy more parts. Woo. Woo. Cool. And then in the box, oh, wait. We got stickers. I'm not gonna stick those in my car. Give those to Dylan. But here's our new header. Away. Box after box. Compare. So this does already feel lighter than that header too, which will be nice. I also did the cat. I did a MagnaFlow cat on it, and that was a little bit lighter, so weight reduction and stuff. So I am happy because so far it looks like this does have the flange that's a little bit bent. Okay. Oh, and chewed up. The flange is wrecked on the end right here. As you can see, that is all chewed up. That might not be okay. We'll see. Like I said, this isn't the most expensive header, so there should still be another flange in here, I'm hoping, or gasket. And there's not. That's okay. I have another one for the air pump. So this looks decent so far. I probably shouldn't be touching this with bare hands, but I don't have any gloves, so that's okay. But let's see here. I did read that some people have had some fitment issues with this guy. So let's see. It's the header. It's for the O2. It's nice. So I can move that then. Okay. Alright, I'm game for that. The welds they look pretty decent actually. This does not look bad. Other than you have to pull the studs and stuff out of that header. You pull a lot off that header actually. Now, I don't know if it has the mounting bracket. I'm not seeing it. Right here on this guy there's this mounting bracket, which is not on here. Right here. So hopefully it'll be okay. We'll have to find out, but looking in here in the chambering and everything, it looks decent, I would say. It's not too bad right up in there. So the flange looks okay. mean, it's not bad. It's cheap, but it looks pretty good for cheap. But we'll see how this all goes together, and hopefully not have any fitment issues. So let's get the day started. Let's replace this header. Alright, so I kind of already went to town on this guy. I put her in. It's okay, you saw me take it apart. It's the same thing, just unbolt, bolt, whatever. But I did have some fitment issues up here with the gasket. I actually had to cut the gasket right there to fit the fit that bolt there, which is a little whack that came like that. Everything else is fitting up okay though so far. This angle's down a little bit more than I'd like it to, so it's kind of a pain in the ass to get to the bottom bolts, but I'm making it work. But it looks pretty. I think it's gonna hopefully sound good. We'll see if I gain any power. I doubt it. Maybe 2 horse. But yeah, I think that's good. I think it's gonna look really snazzy. Put magnet flow up in here, all matchy. Gonna be good. So cool. Yeah, once I get this all finished here, I will tune back in. Alright guys, well, still working on the clutch, trying to get that figured out. Got it started. I never got a chance to film the part where I actually started with the new header and the exhaust and everything. So I figured I could do that now for you guys while I'm working on this. It's not going to move or anything, but that's okay. I say that so much, I need to stop. Anyways, let's get a good sound clip going, and I can you know, put that in the end of the video for part 2 of the header install. So let's get to it.